Welcome to Afia's page. Today let's see about the process for adding the newborn to the Vidal Health Insurance. You can add newborn from day one itself. So before going to this video, subscribe our channel so that you will get immediate notification whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for subscription. Okay, let's dive in. So you have to go this portal.accenture.com. Under careers and total rewards, you have to select your rewards link. Okay, so from this portal only we able to add or update our dependents. Let's wait for the authentication here. So it will do the basic SSO authentication. Select your email ID and wait for a minute. Okay, it's keep loading. Okay, it's about to complete. Yeah, done. So this is the page. So in the top you can see the banner. Below that banner you can see one small button called update dependents. So whenever we have any changes on the dependent, we can update from here. Okay, has anything changed lately? Yeah. So this one you have to click. It will take you to the next page. Here you can see four options: enroll my dependent for adding new, and edit my dependent for updating the existing dependents, and third option is unenroll my child, so to remove the child, and the last one is enrollment my spouse, so just to remove your spouse. So in my case, first option I'm going to choose. Okay, so under this you have to select your relationship with this dependent. So in my case it's child, and the other fields called first name, last name, and date of birth, gender. So these all are required because those are all mandatory. Okay, let me update those. So first name Ziana Cecilin. Okay, I'm just adding it. Last name, it should be mostly initial, that's sufficient, or you can give the father name completely. That's up to you based on your birth certificate. Okay, so date of birth, it's Friday 17th, same month, and gender is female. Finally, just check box this and confirm continue button you have to click. That's it from our end. So the dependent was added successfully, you can see here, and there is no change in the current benefit coverage. So that is what it's showing. And if you want to see the name, just click this yes proceed so that you can see the added name here. Okay, so on the bottom of this you can see, right, the Ziana Sislin, the name of child was added under our group medical insurance. Okay, if you want to update any dependent details, you can click this update button, otherwise just click this confirm and continue on the bottom. Okay, let me click it. So now you can see the review page for this year, whatever benefits we are avail, right, that you can see here. So in my case, I have avail for parents insurance, parent-in-law insurance, sibling insurance. So that's why I'm seeing all together here. All are paid already. So it's just a review page. Just click confirm and continue, and just click this confirm on this final confirmation. Yeah, nothing to review. Okay, and click agree. Finally, then click confirm and continue. Okay, that's it. Now we successfully updated our dependent. You can see the success message here. Okay, so if you want to download confirmation statement, you can download. Otherwise, just click this view my benefits to just confirm your benefits. Okay, so here in the bottom, when you scroll down, you can see all the available, availed subscription, sorry, insurance. Okay, so in my case, group medical insurance is there for parents, me, and parent-in-law. So everything I can see here. Future plans, nothing, and you can see the email intimation here. It's just intimating some of the dependent details were updated in your rewards portal. That's it. Okay, let me close this. Fine. So let's check quickly Vidal portal whether it is reflecting immediately or not the new dependent. So just log in with your employee option, and bottom you have the button called login with your registered mobile number or email. So mostly you can provide your Accenture email here instead of mobile number. Sometime mobile numbers will get fail. So better go with email ID. So I have given my email ID and the captcha. Generate OTP. Okay, let's wait for some time to get the OTP. Okay, still not received the email. Fine, let's open the inbox and check. Mostly we will receive the email notification in bottom right, but not yet we received. Okay, let's check the inbox. Yeah, I have received in my inbox. Just copying that OTP and going to paste it in Vidal portal. Okay, login. Yeah, authentication is done. Let's get logged in. Okay, once logged in, you can see the policy details here. By default, you can see the base policy. So there only our new child was added. Just click continue. Okay, here you can see the complete policy details and member covered. You can see here, right? When I hover, child showing us 2. Earlier it was 1. Now we added one more so that it was showing us 2. Okay, let's check the e-card of new child. Okay, so that you have to select this arrow. Okay, now under this you can see the e-card. So all the 4 members detail you can see here. So newly added child Ziana Seslin you can see, right? Yeah, it's good. It's immediately reflecting whenever we update in our Accenture portal. Cool features. Fine. Okay, so date of birth and relationship, everything looks good. If you want, you can download from here, or you can download this particular card from here. Okay, so that's it. Let me log out. Okay, so this is the process for adding this newborn. I hope the process was clear. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more unique video. Bye bye.